So basically these car clip pliers are what you need to get the job done quickly, efficiently, and at the price point even a home DIY mechanic can do it. So basically they function like this. They clip onto the clip and they pull up and easily remove these fasteners, interior fasteners, that sometimes you have to get access to inside car interiors. Sometimes you have to pull the plastic piece from the motor to do an oil change, and you basically know what you need them for. And this works perfect. So basically you clip on to each end, you pull, and then now the clip is raised. Basically, it could even be one-hand operation. Boom, right there, the clip is raised. Push it back down to lock it in. One after another, easy work, no problem. Right here, boom, right there. And you can remove plastic trim and anything and about everything that you could think of. So these are a vital tool in your toolbox. It makes life much easier. So put it in your cart, buy with confidence.